Cold calling is often seen as a sales tactic, but it can also be used to change the world. By reaching out to people directly, you can share your ideas, recruit supporters, and build momentum for your cause. Here are some tips on how to use cold calling to change the world. Identify your cause. What are you passionate about? What change do you want to see in the world? Once you know your cause, you can start to identify the people who are most likely to be interested in supporting you. Research your targets. Before you start calling, take some time to learn about the people you're calling. What are their interests? What are their pain points? What are their values? The more you know about your targets, the better equipped you'll be to have meaningful conversations and recruit them to your cause. Prepare your pitch. When you're cold calling, it's important to have a clear and concise pitch. What is your cause? Why is it important? What are you asking people to do? Practice your pitch so that you can deliver it confidently and convincingly. Be persistent. Cold calling can be tough, but it's important to be persistent. Don't get discouraged if you hear a lot of no's. The more people you call, the more likely you are to find supporters for your cause. Be grateful. When you find people who are interested in supporting your cause, be sure to thank them for their time and consideration. Let them know how their support will make a difference. Here is an example of a cold calling script that you can use to change the world. Introduction. Hi, John. My name is Alex, and I'm calling from ABC Organization. We're working to, and we add the mission statement. Pitch. I'm calling today because I believe that you are someone who cares about, and we add the cause. We're currently working on a campaign to campaign goal. I'm asking if you would be interested in learning more about our work and how you could get involved. Call to action. Would you be interested in scheduling a call to discuss our campaign and the different ways you can get involved? If the person is interested in learning more, schedule a call or send them more information. If the person is not interested, thank them for their time and wish them well. Here are some additional tips for using cold calling to change the world. Use a CRM system to track your calls and supporters. This will help you stay organized and manage your pipeline effectively. Be prepared to answer questions about your cause and your organization. People will want to know how you plan to use their support and how you will measure your impact. Be transparent about your finances. People want to know that their donations are being used wisely. Be prepared to share information about your budget and how you are using your funds. Be patient and persistent. It takes time to build a movement and change the world. Don't expect to see results overnight. Just keep calling, keep sharing your message, and keep building relationships with people who care about your cause. By following these tips, you can use cold calling to change the world and make a real difference in the lives of others.